Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Android 7, 0 or later and at least 100 MB free. This prevents installation errors. Next, enable unknown sources or prepare a DB on your PC so you can sideload safely. Once done, download the Revanced Manager APK plus the exact YouTube base APK. Matching versions matters because the patches apply to the same app variant. Make sure you save files in a single folder so you can find them quickly when the manager asks for the base APK. You open Revanced Manager and load the base YouTube APK you downloaded. This is the app that gets patched. Then pick only the patches you need: Adblock, Background Play, PyP, or Theme, because incompatible combinations can break the build. Once you select patches, tap Build and wait. The manager compiles a patched APK and shows log lines so you can spot issues. If a patch fails, deselect it and rebuild. This isolates conflicts and speeds troubleshooting. You install the patched APK directly or use a DB install R to replace the existing YouTube app. Using a DB reduces signature conflicts. After install, verify core features like background audio and ad blocking to confirm success. If something goes wrong, app crashes, or features missing, check the build logs, ensure the base APK version exactly matched, then uninstall, clear cache, and reinstall. A common fix is rebuilding with fewer patches. This narrows down the offending change so you can restore a stable build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.